लोहे की कढ़ाई is the most important thing that you need. I don't think you can see. I do have like some gray hairs. Most people like they have the split ends, but if you see my hair ends, they are pretty shiny. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So today I'm gonna talk about my hair oil. This hair oil is the only thing you need. Believe me, I was the one using the Kerastase Genesis serum and the Living Proof, all the expensive scalp hair growth serum you talk about. I've tried every single one of them because hair growth is like one of the biggest thing for me back in 2023 when I started my hair growth journey. And also I do have a hair oil brand as well, which means I do have good knowledge about hair care, hair products, and what works for the scalp and what not. And that's why today I'm here, because I get a lot of questions in general about my hair, like how my hair is so smooth, shiny, and they grow super fast. And when I came here from Canada, my hair was at its worst condition because of the sudden climate change. But if you see right now, I haven't styled my hair. This is what my original hair texture looks like. I wish you can just feel how smooth they are. Let's get into the process. Now I'm gonna talk about each ingredient that I am using so that you can customize depending on what you want for your hair. And the best part is that every ingredient that I'm putting in it is directly came from our farm. So the base of my hair oil is coconut oil. Now it's your choice. You can keep coconut oil, mustard oil, pumpkin seed oil, whatever you prefer. But for me, like, mustard oil is like too much for my scalp and my scalp can't handle it. That's why I use coconut oil. Now coconut oil is proven to keep your scalp healthy. It also penetrates deeply into the hair shafts and keep the moisture locked. Now one more thing I want to show you, right, is that if you see my hair, I don't have dead ends. Most people like they have the split ends, but if you see my hair ends, they are pretty shiny, pretty healthy. That's what I wanted to show you. Like, it's not only the scalp that you have to take care of. This oil also contain benefits which are good for your length as well. If you want, I can also share my hair care routine for you. But yeah, coconut oil really helps with the moisture. That's why a lot of people use only coconut oil for the hair length, because they do provide a really good moisture to your hair. And with that, I'm gonna add a lot of amla in it, also known as Indian gooseberries. We have trees of Indian gooseberries at our farm, so we get it directly from there. So I was making amla drink and amla recipes before making my oil, and that's where I get the seeds, the amla seeds and the amla leftover. And that's when I decided to put it inside my hair oil, because anyways it's really beneficial for your hair. So instead of using the whole amla, I'm using the rest of the amla that has been left behind. I'm trying to add a lot of amla in my diet as well, because this is like amla season, so why not? It has amazing health, skin and hair benefits. If we talk about hair, amla is like the secret to glossy, healthy hair. Like, the shinier hair you get, it's because of the amla, and that's the reason I add a lot of amla in my hair oil, because it provides a beautiful shine. You don't need those fancy serums after using this hair oil. Trust me, it's gonna grow your hair. It's gonna help stopping your hair fall until and unless you have problems like alopecia or severe hair issues. It's gonna definitely stop your hair fall, grow your hair long, and also provides a very beautiful shine to your hair and keep your hair very hydrated. Amla is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. That's the reason it provides silky and shiny hair. After adding a lot of amla, the main ingredient comes is like kalonji, which is also called black seed, and fenugreek, also known as methi dana. Now both of these ingredients, you don't put it directly to your oil. Now a lot of people use these two ingredients in making the oil, but what you have to do differently in this, you have to put it in a mixer grinder and before putting directly into your oil, because it's gonna split it into two parts. That way you get full benefit of these two ingredients. So rather than putting directly into your oil, make sure you do this process. Now fenugreek may be tiny, but it has massive benefits, especially in strengthening your hair scalp. Now I'm explaining all this so that you can add or subtract whatever ingredient you think is necessary for your customized hair oil. They are amazing in controlling your hair fall. They make your roots stronger. They are also rich in protein and nicotinic acid that help with the dandruff and dryness in your scalp. So if you have that issue, make sure you add the fenugreek seeds. Now talking about kalonji, which is black seed, it is supremely underrated, I would say, but it really helps boost your growth, help with the gray hairs as well. I do have gray hairs, but I don't think you can see it right now. See, my hair is so silky, but I don't think you can see. I do have like some gray hairs. I few of the gray hairs. Oh my god, I can't find it right now. That's the reason I use kalonji in my hair oil. Last major ingredient that I'm adding in it, it's a choice. It's called aloe vera. Oh my god, these house flies are like everywhere in India. Now aloe vera I am adding because it is like a balancing ingredient. It balances your scalp, helps promote hair growth, also helps with your dandruff and itchy scalp. So these are the main ingredient. Now talking about some leaves, I'm also gonna add like curry leaves. We have that at home. That has like amazing benefits for your scalp and hair health, and it's been an heaven sent ingredient for long, dark and thick hair. Curry leaves, I will say, is a powerhouse for hair growth. They literally wake up those sleepy hair growth follicles. Just make sure that you are adding it in the end because it's a leaf, so we don't want to burn that leaf. We want to take full benefits of this. However, I have like a lot of those leaves because we have a tree, as I mentioned. So I'm just gonna add some in the middle and rest I'm gonna keep for the end. So in the end I'm gonna add curry leaves and rose petals. Now rose adds the aroma and it also helps providing that shine back to your hair. So that's all the ingredients that I'm gonna add. And I'm gonna use lohe ki kadhai is the most important thing that you need in making of this oil because it has amazing benefits, and that's the only way I will suggest doing it. Once the oil is done, I'm gonna keep it in the same utensil so that all the ingredients get that nice amount of time to penetrate to the oil. And I'm gonna take a nice clean cloth and just get the oil extracted. That's pretty much it that I wanted to share in this video. I hope this video will be a little helpful, and I'll see you in my, oh my god, this house flies in India is like I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.